Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to another quick little video. So today I have a quick mod that I've been really wanting to do on the Ninja for a while now. And it's super cheap and it makes the bike look super nice. So check this out. As you can see, this little box right here, let me show you, is this special little material over here. I originally bought it for the Miata to wrap the dash in it. But since I'm doing all the other work on the Miata, I might as well just use it for the bike. So as you can see right here, it's this adhesive suede Alcantara material. Really nice stuff, feels super soft, decently thick too. So if you see right here, this is my passenger seat that I already did like a little test run on with the Alcantara just to see how it sticks. But if you can see right here, it turned out like awesome. Let me get a light so you can see better. So look at this. It's a little bright, but that's how it turned out. Super nice. The stuff is like super sticky. So all I did was just kind of like stretched it out and put it on top of the seat and then smoothed it out and made sure it like adhered properly. So the passenger seat is done, but I still gotta do the main seat. The rider, driver's, whatever seat. My only concern is like how the material is gonna hold up over time when I'm sitting on it and like moving around. We're gonna basically do exactly what I did for this one. What I did was I cleaned it up with some isopropyl alcohol to get all like the residue off, and especially on the edges, you really want to clean the edges really good so it sticks really well. So let's go ahead and grab this material, get some isopropyl, clean it up, and see how it turns out. So what we're gonna want to do first is clean the seat off really well with some isopropyl alcohol, especially the edges, because that's where it's going to be sticking and like curving over the edge. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it with some isopropyl and just start cleaning it up. Especially focus on scrubbing the edges, because that's where it's going to stick, and if it's going to peel, that's where it would start peeling. So look at all that dirt. You can kind of see some of that dirt off the seat. Make sure you flip it around, get all those little spots. Just spray it down here too, probably. And just give it a good clean. And after that, we'll be ready to wrap it. Alright, so now that this is all cleaned up with isopropyl alcohol, all the edges are clean, we're going to take our Alcantara material and we're just going to cut a piece that's gonna fit this. So I think we're gonna have to go long ways. So what I do is I just kind of put the material down and just kind of get a rough estimate of where how much we're gonna need. So I think this should be good. Just flip it upside down real quick. So I think right here is going to be enough. So we're just going to go give it a little trim. Just give it like an inch of extra room. And yeah, so now what we got to do is figure out how we're going to apply this. So I think it's going to have to be this way. So the thing is, with this material, from wrapping the passenger seat, what I figured out is that once you get this off, like once you start peeling this stuff is going to want to stick to itself, and it's like really hard to unstick. So you got to be really careful with what you're doing. There's some extra isopropyl. So yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and peel it, and then I'm just going to kind of stretch it over and then slowly start like applying it. So it's way easier if you have another person to help you stretch it over, but I don't. Alright, so I think this is the way that I'm going to do it. So let's go ahead and send it. So we're just going to carefully peel this. You should really want to make sure it doesn't stick to itself, because that's how you mess it up. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is why it's better with 2 people. Oh my god, so I finally got this stupid junk untangled. So I'm gonna try that again. So I'm honestly like so pissed off. Oh my god, there we go. It just like started sticking to itself, and like as soon as you mess up with this, if you don't have 2 people, like it's cooked. So now what we want to do is gently start from the middle, and from the middle we're just gonna kind of slide. Don't stretch it too much, but we're gonna just kind of spread it around, and yeah. And around the edges, once you like get past the edges, you want to kind of just really make sure you like smooth it and stick it onto the edges, and then like right around the edge, you want to just kind of like that, just kind of tuck it over the edges, because the edges is what you really want to stick nice and well. There we go. Thank God. I messed up in the beginning a little bit, but hey. Alright. Alright, once you get most of the seat done, you literally can just start flipping it, and we could just start getting it adhered to the underside. So you really want to like wrap it around the edges. You want to make little slits in the on the corners, just so you can work with it easier and kind of fold it over. Let me show you. So like that. Then you kind of want to fold the edges over. You want to slightly stretch it over the edge a little bit and stick it on. All right, there we go. Look at that, guys. Boom. Yeah, you want to really just take your time when you do this and just be very careful with the edges. All right, so once everything's like adhered and on there, what you're gonna just want to go do, you just want to get this excess stuff and just kind of cut it off, so it's nice and so it's just clean. You don't want just pieces hanging from the side. And then just go around and just clean up all this excess and cut it, but don't cut too much. All right, so once you have everything trimmed up, it should look something like this. As you can see, came out perfect. Even though we had a little hiccup in the beginning, just with it sticking to itself, it still came out really nice. Yeah, just kind of make sure it's all nice and stuck, especially around the edges. And same with the middle parts, because you don't want this to start peeling it and then bubbling and anything like that. Just make sure it's really adhered properly. So we're pretty much done. Let's go ahead and throw this on the bike and we'll see how it looks. All right, so check this out in this lighting. Look at that. Came out so nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and throw it on Kiwi and we'll see what it looks like. Oh my God, guys, look at that. Look at that. Guys, look at that. Come on. Oh my God. Alright, so it's the next day, and as you guys could see, I went a little extra and I got the glue gun, and I kind of went around all of the borders of the Alcantara on the seat at the bottom. And I went all around the borders and kind of glued and kind of put a layer of glue, because they were slightly peeling on some of the sections were like slightly peeling, so I trimmed them and I just went over with the glue, and pretty much that's what it looks like right now. And this is what the seat looks like itself. Super nice. And then if you could see this one right here, I like put the lines in it, the detailer Alcantara lines. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw this on and I'll show you what it looks like. So, and I'll open the garage so you could see. Here's a better view of the glue. Just kind of went over the edges of the Alcantara, kind of spread it around. Look at that. And look at this, little lines in it. So fresh. Dude, I've wanted an Alcantara seat on the bike for so long. So hopefully this holds up. I'll kind of keep you guys updated on how this holds up, but it looks sick. So if you want to do this, go ahead and do it, because Alcantara on the bike's seats is sick. So hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.